Are you okay now, my friend? Let's go home, otherwise snowfall become heavier.
Let's go.
You can rest now, please stay on bed. I think you should eat something like hot soup. I think it's ready. My friend, please drink this, you will get better.
Yummy! Thank you, Kitty, for everything!
Okay, I'll be right back. Let's play video games, Panda.
Yes!
I win the game! Kitty loser!
Let's see what snow looks like in morning. I have an idea. Let's make
Subscribe to our channel!
You know my aunt told the kitten parents always fighting and kitten cry like crybaby.
Why my parents are not normal, why they always fighting? Why they didn't open door?
Huh?
I'm not normal, my head pain. Because you two are so loud and fighting, please. I can't be it.
I think there's no one who can understand me.
Hey, come out and tell who is wrong.
Oh!
I made a decision to leave the home.
Hey, Mom, Dad, I'm leaving. And now you can fight.
Hey, come on, I can give you a lift.
Hey, Kitty, now tell me your parents' number.
I knock it too many times. I think we should break the door.
Kitten, leave the home.
Our child is missing. Please find him now.
Huh?
Help me! Come on.
Let's go, Kitty, to your parents. Come on, Kitty, they really care about you.
My parents are crying for me.
Please forgive us, Kitten. We are not good parents.
Oh, I forgive you that. Please don't fight again.
Do you want to eat ice cream?
Yes, we can.
I just want my parents to be happy.
It's no, I'm late. May I come in?
Huh?
Happy birthday!
Teacher, I'm done.
Okay. I'm done.
I wonder what Mom, Dad give me surprise on my birthday. Why Mom, Dad didn't open door?
Why door is open?
Huh?
Oh no, to forget my birthday. I need to remember them. Mom, Dad, it's my birthday. Please, Mom, look at this, my birthday cap made by me.
Why you keep saying nonsense? Don't you think we talk about something important?
I'm not important. I will not talk to you.
Oh, is that Kitten? Hey, Kitten, what happened today? Do you want to tell me?
My parents fought even on my birthday and ignored me.
Okay, I wish you, Kitten, happy birthday.
Huh?
Grandmother, did you really wish me?
Kitty, wait a minute, I'll be right back. Open door fast. Yes! Don't act so much. I know you had a fight. Do you know it's your Kitten birthday? And she miss you, and you just fighting with each other.
Oh no, what have we done? We forget Kitten birthday just because over silly fight.
Mom, Dad, please let's celebrate for me.
Parents, listen. Birthdays are not just about cake. For a child, it means love, care, and feeling special. If you forget, the child feels forgotten. Don't let your little one cry for your mistake. Always show love because to a kitten, parents' love is the biggest gift.
Oh, no, I'm late for school.
I think it doesn't matter because my friends only make fun of me.
Hey child, get ready for school and please don't think so much I'm with you.
Do I really have to wear this? I'm ready for my insult.
Get ready, kitten, your breakfast ready.
No, I don't want anything. Please drop me school.
OH no, my kitten is so sad. I need to work hard to get my kitten new uniform. Don't worry, kitten, they are your friends. Be happy.
Oh, poor baby, come finally. Your clothes look like you take this from dustbin.
My kitten is suffered because of me and I have to save my kitten's hair. Take it, it's very refreshing. It's very natural for your health.
Oh, my mother.
Finally, now I think I can take uniform for my kitten.
Oh, my mother. Mom, I wish everyone got mother like you.
I think this is perfect for you.
Yes. Thank you so much, Mom, for everything. Huh?
No.
Hey, please subscribe for such more videos.
Bye-bye. Oh, no, I'm late.
I prepared this lunch for you.
No, I'm already late. Now I'm hungry. I should take lunchbox from Mom. Wow!
Take it, son.
Yummy.
Goodbye.
Now I feel good.
Test time, who can? Give me answer. Okay, now come please.
Oh my god!
Huh?
Oh my god.
Your son is in trouble, come fast.
Oh my god.
Ambulance, come fast. My son's condition is not good.
Okay.
Your mother is with you, don't worry.
Okay.
Oh my god.
I will make sure that police catch the culprit. Hey, police, come here.
Okay, tell me what happens to you, child.
Can I tell you? Yes! There's a rabbit who sells sandwich near to my school. He did it.
All right, now help me.
Ready? Go! Bye-bye! Hello! Hi!
Okay! Okay, we are coming.
All right, now here we go.
Come on.
Are you ready?
Oh my god.
Are you ready?
No.
Stop!
Wow!
I need a job. Can you teach me how to drive ship?
Yes, of course.
Thanks, sir. Okay, bye.
Why she was talking so friendly?
Huh?
I don't want to talk to you.
Wow. Please, someone save me!
Please hold my hand, Kitten.
Listen, I'm here to help you. Your kitten is alone. He needs a mother.
Yes, you can please come my home. Try to understand your mother is gone. You need a mother. Look at her.
Huh? Nice. Yes, I can consider her my mother.
I'm going to take care of my kitten.
Bye-bye!
Okay, now I'm fed up. You are going to do all the housework. Listen carefully, brat.
What are you saying, my mother?
Hey, don't call me mother. I'm just here to live my dream. Comfort life. Now go to your work.
Oh no, she betrayed us.
Forget something. Don't tell anything to your father. Otherwise, you better know.
Okay, I don't tell anything. Please don't beat me.
Hello!
Hello, I make this food for you. Please have it.
Okay, it's look delicious, thank you.
I also want to tell you Kitten always teased me and said I can't be his mother.
What are you saying, Kitten? Go right now.
Okay, go daddy. Mama, I miss you. Please come back. I need you. I feel hungry. I remember Mother always takes snack for me in cabinet. Wow! I always remember you, Mama. Who is here?
I am post officer. There's a letter for you.
A letter for me.
I'm alive. OH, no, my kitten, I had to do something. I write this letter for you, my dearest kitten. Sometimes you feel lonely. Please don't think that I'm always with you. But I know you can find me. I know about that evil cat. Please become unstoppable and fight for your mother. I know you can do this. Come find me. I can wait for you always.
Oh my god!
Yes, Mother, I can fight for you. I come to you. Please wait for me. Now I'm ready to find my mother. Father, you can go. I need to find my mother. Huh?
Why would you come here?
Because this is my home. She was always torture our kitten.
Oh my god.
Look, she is running away. Catch her.
Thank God they didn't find me. I need a place to hide. There's a woman who looks like a zombie. If you find her, please give her to police. Shh! Don't tell anything about me.
Hey!
Oh my god.
Hey! Here we go.
No!
What?
Hey!
No, no, no!
Come on!
Oh my god.